everyone, this is me, Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. Today we'll be discussing book exercise of Unit 3, जो कि एक poem है जिसका नाम है Try Again.
So we'll be discussing internal question first for Unit 3, poem Try Again. First internal question is, what does the word persevere mean? Answer. Word persevere means continue in a course of action even in the face of difficulty or with little or no indication of success. Poet says if a person will persevere, then only he will be able to conquer his fears and move closer to success. Second question is, if we strive, it is no disgrace. Explain this sentence. Answer. The above sentence means that it is not shameful if we struggle hard in reaching our goals. It is not a disgrace if we fail multiple times, for each time we'll fail, we'll learn a new lesson. Making mistakes and failing is part of becoming successful. Hence, one should carry on making efforts. Third question, why is poet repeating the sentence try again? Answer. Poet is repeating the sentence try again to motivate the ones who are struggling in achieving their goals. He is repeating this sentence to highlight the importance of making continual efforts and working hard. He is repeating try again because if we'll keep on trying again and again, one day we'll definitely succeed. Let's move on to next exercise, which is of reading comprehension. We'll be discussing comprehensive question and answers. First question is, what is the lesson taught in first stanza? Answer. In first stanza, poet is boosting up the morale and is motivating readers to try again after failing. He is telling readers to persevere and conquer their fears. The lesson of not giving up and try again with the same courage is given. Second question, what can we learn from our failure? Answer. We can learn our shortcomings and our weaknesses that become hindrance in our way to success. After knowing our weaknesses, we can work on them and overcome them and try once again with same passion and enthusiasm. In this way, we learn from our mistakes and failures. Third question, how is failure not a disgrace? Answer. Failure is not a disgrace but part of route to success. If one is striving in achieving his goals and is failing again and again, then it's not a matter of shame, but it's a chance to learn from your mistakes and improve your strategy. Fourth question, how many times should we try and why? Answer. There is no time frame or limit specified for trying again. One should keep on trying again and again until his goals are not achieved. It does not matter how many times one fails in doing so. He should gather up courage and each time make better efforts in meeting his goals. Fifth question, what should we do if we find our task hard? Answer. If one finds a task hard, he should not lose hope and give up. He should not leave the task incomplete. He should keep on working hard on that very task until it's completed. As hard work always pays off, his efforts will become fruitful and time will bring him his reward in return of his untired efforts.